Jowar Paneer Paratha. These are gluten-free, right? Yes, of course. Jawar or sorghum is high in fiber and protein. The parathas are healthy and delicious too. Want to make your meal special? Have you subscribed to my channel for easy, tried and tested recipes? Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Heat a teaspoon of vegetable oil and add in sliced onion. I have taken two medium-sized onions and sliced them thinly. Season it with a bit of salt and cook this on high heat. Once the onions turn soft and get a light color on them, add in a teaspoon of ginger and green chili paste. That's done. Turn off the heat. Let it cool down. Boil 1.5 cups of water. Season it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add in a teaspoon of ghee or vegetable oil if you like, and then just let the ghee melt. Turn off the heat. Add in 1.5 cups of jawar flour, sorghum, mix well. So the ratio of flour to water is 1:1. Cover it and let it rest. The onion has cooled down. I'll add in chopped coriander greens, about 1/2 cup of it. Chopped green chilies to taste. About 200 to 250 grams of paneer. Just crumble it, or you could even grate it in. Add in a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/2 teaspoon of kasuri methi powder, black salt, and a bit of regular table salt. Mix well. That's done. Now just make balls out of it. These are done. The dough has been resting for about 15 minutes now and it's still warm. I'll take it onto my work surface. I've lined it with a silicone mat. You could use a plastic sheet. I'll just bring it all together. I'll sprinkle a little water because I feel it's a bit dry. It should become nice and smooth in no time at all. Divide it into equal sized balls, roughly the size of the paneer balls. That's done. Keep them covered while you work with the rest. Shape a ball of dough into a cup so that we can fit in the paneer. This is a gluten-free flour and hence it will be quite different from the regular paneer paratha, and stuffing it also is a bit tricky. So just be patient if you want to enjoy the healthy parathas. Seal in the paneer as best as you can. There. And start flattening it out at the edge because it will definitely crack. And let's just avoid the bigger ones. A little crack is all right. There. Then press gently. See the crack? That will come. Don't worry. Wet your palms and keep going. Keep pressing the edges. More water on your palms. And this is how you're going to spread it out. While the tawa or the griddle is heating up, I'll just lift my silicone mat and take the paratha out. Use a dusting of flour to help. Put it the flat side down. Keep the heat on medium, and after about a minute, check to see if it's moving on the griddle. And then flip it over, let that side cook. And in the meantime, just prepare the next one. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, share your feedback in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Apply some ghee, butter or vegetable oil on both sides of the paratha. So this paratha will only get a mild color on it. This one is done. Time to take it out. Similarly, make the rest of them. Serve the parathas hot with some pickle and yogurt on the side and enjoy.